Greeting bikers! How are you guys? And today I'm heading to Shaolin, and I have a special project for my bike, but I'm going to surprise you all. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to do it now, but I'm reaching the destinations, and soon you guys will know what I'm planning to do with my bike. Well, this truck, you got to be very careful with them, because you never know where they are going to turn and things like that, you know. And there are a lot of blind spots around them, so it's better that you don't stick close to them, give them space. Okay, this is my first visit to this area. It's a industrial zone, I believe. But I hope my trip will worth it. Okay, this is my friend Gordon here. Okay, this is the place. What's up?
What's up? Damn hard to find, huh?
Hard to find, I thought you used to use Waze.
Yeah, I use Waze only. I thought can turn out somewhere from Stialam, cannot come. Must go 2.7.
I also use Waze, but I did pre-check already. I checked the Google Map, the Street View.
What are you supposed to do? Change handlebar.
No lah, no change handlebar lah. I want to see.
Invert your handlebar downwards lah. Okay, listen, man. Invert only lah.
No need to be so hardcore. Just start things slow.
And then you get your seat straight, man.
So, yeah, this is the bar end lah. Look quite nice, right?
Oh yeah, the bar end. I don't like bar end. They sangkut and jam.
But they can simpan one, right?
Yeah, they do like that lah. They.
No lah, not gonna change my seat. My seat, I already changed my seat already. Bracket tepi.
Macam ni, ni bracket tepi.
Oh.
Macam ni bracket bawah.
Tak, yang size ini okey kan?
Ni dia.
Ni memang paling besar lah, 6 inch.
Sekarang ni ada stok ni paling besar macam.
Tapi malam dia cukup terang tak?
Ni LED terang.
Okey lah. Yang ini, so harga dia 200.
200. Then bracket 30.
Okey. Tapi macam mana dia punya wire, belakang lampu punya wire, macam mana nak simpan Oh, bawah dia lah. So this is my mission today.
What's the mission?
To
So
get rid of the old headlamp.
but this one will still stay.
This one I will remove.
You remove temporarily lah.
Not temporarily, permanently.
Permanently,
Otherwise, it
yeah.
won't fit the look of the round headlamp. What?
So practically you have this round headlamp.
Mm.
Why don't you lower this bar?
No lah. I don't
Lower
want,
this bar, invert the handlebar lah.
And then
you got a straight seat.
I will consider
seat lah.
taking off this.
Change the tank to a narrower tank.
I won't go so hardcore first. Okay, thank you, bro.
See you.
Kalau nampak different sikit. Ini apa ni? Tag dia.
Tarik dari sini.
Okay.
Lama ni.
Alright. Okay, so this is my surprise, and yes, I changed my headlamp, and it does look a bit weird at first, but I guess this is something special for me, and I always wanted my bike to have some retro look. Okay, so now I have to figure out my way where to go. So I hope that the light is bright enough. Now my bike looks naked again, as it is, and I hope the bracket is lasting enough. Although it looks a bit flimsy. And I shall also get a retro look side mirror, so that everything should look nice and in place. He suggested me to get a retro visor, so that it can cover the front part, the wiring, which is a good choice, but I will consider it later. Good advice, I would say. Okay, guys, see you again. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Bye.